At the same time, we have to do more to protect our children. We must protect them from the harmful influences and forces that exploit their vulnerability. The corrosive influence of fake news, the unfettered exposure to pornography, even to minors, the constant depiction of casual violence, and the toxicity and hate culture pervasive in social media. These pernicious influences lead to issues of their mental health, rise in teenage pregnancies and HIV/AIDS cases, and other extremely harmful consequences. We must all assume a community responsibility for our young people's protection. Ang mga nasawi na ating mag-aaral kamakailan, dala ng karahasan at kapabayaan, ay nag-iwan ng malaking puwang sa kanilang pamilya at mapait na aral din para sa ating lahat. Sa mga magulang at kaanak ng mga nasawit at nasaktan dahil sa nangyaring karahasan sa mga paaralan, tanggapin po ninyo ang aming taimtim na pakikiramay. To the parents of Chris Lawrence Fabian, Joyancy Separa, and Ayesa Nicole Dazo, we are all so very proud of the unflinching bravery and heroic virtue that you have instilled in your children. They are an inspiration to us all. Their courage and their selflessness, true Filipino qualities, are the virtues that these trying times call for. Kailangang mamulat ang buong lipunan at akuin ang responsibilidad. Pag-ibayuhin natin ang ating paggabay at pag-aruga sa ating mga kabataan. Magkakasama tayong lahat sa misyong ito, ang pamahalaan, pamilya, paaralan, simbahan, industriya, komunidad.